We possess the resources and knowledge right now to ensure everyone has a home, food, and a decent life. If we unselfishly work together, we could build a paradise on Earth. Instead, we currently remain completely divided into separate groups behind made-up borders, hoarding abundance while others sleep on sidewalks. Nature suggests a different path. In a healthy forest, massive trees don't attempt to eliminate the younger saplings to secure their own survival. They drop leaves to build the soil and block the wind to protect thin trunks. They operate for the long-term survival of the entire forest. Humans, however, spend immense emotional energy trying to force others to embrace their specific personal fantasies. We demand that everyone else ratify the illusions we've invented just to maintain our own sense of comfort. Trying to force others into a shared dream world never alters the actual facts of reality. It only guarantees a cycle of endless human conflict. Facing a cosmic mystery you cannot answer creates a specific psychological tension, a brain hole. It is a painful gap in understanding that pushes the mind to find a quick resolution. To relieve anxiety, humans instinctively pour simple beliefs into that hole. Once hardened, the search for truth stops. By assigning all responsibility to a single almighty creator, that being holds all incomplete answers. The brain relaxes into blind faith. This strategy functions as a scapegoat tactic. If a single being does everything, the human soul has no motivation to pursue the difficult work of evolution and self-mastery. While human bodies share the same basic anatomy, the similarities end there. When you look at personality, desire, and intention, it becomes clear that humans differ wildly in their internal makeup and level of consciousness. These deep, irreconcilable differences in the human core point to a diverse origin. The cosmos is not the product of a single architect. Rather, it is shaped by multiple creators working across billions of years. These creators crafted distinct lineages. This map shows not all humans are the same inside. Some carry a specific energy signature. Others lack a mystical soul. Accepting this explains why our goals conflict. We're on separate paths, traveling toward different destinations based on our origins. Abandoning the expectation of absolute equality allows you to stop fighting others. It grants you the freedom to discover your own specific cosmic destiny. The universe operates as a cosmic ladder, a hierarchy of beings, teachers, and apprentices who have been evolving for billions of years based on their level of wisdom and self-mastery. Those higher on the ladder have learned to manipulate mystic energy, using it to create stars, planets, and complex life. This perspective reframes Earth as a laboratory. It is a training ground filled with free-willed amateur co-creators who are here to practice their powers. Inventors, entrepreneurs, and visionaries demonstrate this every day. By turning ideas into tools and molding atoms into new realities, they are already extending the work of creation. Human ambition provides the hands-on experience necessary to climb the ladder. These earthly skills form the foundation for the spiritual powers required in the next stage of existence. You have a 70-year window on Earth to pre-acquire the senses, knowledge, and virtues required for infinity. This is the only time you have to save for your eternal journey. Those who never plan face a default destination. They spend eternity as passive spectators, standing in a massive crowd, staring in awe at others. Active planners treat this life as a period of research and savings. They develop their wisdom and virtues now so they are ready for meaningful employment in the afterlife. Your current choices are building the destination you will eventually inhabit. You are painting your own eternal itinerary with every action you take. To navigate this path, you must activate your Christic conscience. This internal guidance unmasks the invisible tempters that try to drain your potential through destructive desires. Mastering these soul protocols evolves you into a mystic warrior, someone who understands how to invest their sacred fire wisely rather than wasting it. This mastery provides a dual benefit. You shape your physical reality on Earth while simultaneously building a heavenly retreat for your soul's future. The health, wealth, and superpowers of your soul are within your direct control. They are ready to be utilized across eternity,